Hey everyone, so today I'll be reviewing the product called Talon from Nanologic. This is a mobile holder for motorcycles and can be used for Royal Enfield. Uh, Now I'll be opening the packing, and I like the packing a lot because it's pretty simple, it's clean design. The best thing about this product is that it is made in India, and if you see, uh, it is a very good quality product. You can see that it has got nicely made parts, uh, high quality plastic used, and it has got two silicon bands that are for additionally securing the uh, mobile phone onto the Talon mobile phone holder. One comes in black color, and another comes in red color. Also, in the packet, there is an Allen screw and two additional rubber for securing it properly with the width of your handlebar. The Allen screw, if you see, can be used to properly tighten the screw that is there. This is an additional security that was not there in any of the products that I have reviewed before, because of which my first product was taken off my motorcycle. The second product, that was a C type mobile holder, was just plugged out 2 weeks after I put it on my handlebar. But this one, since it has an Allen key, it will be difficult for any person to get this size of Allen key, plan it, and then try to unscrew the mobile holder from its handlebar. So in the mid range of mobile holders, this is the product that has really got it all set. It has got great quality, made in India. It is even patented, so you know the when you buy this product, the money is going to the people who invented it. And it's got a very minimalist design, very simple design, but still very usable and very good. Next, I'll be installing it on my handlebar to see how easy the installation is. Okay, so I have gotten the Talon product out of the box, and now I'll be installing it. As you can see, my handlebar is quite thin, so I'll need to put all three rubber strips inside the Talon mobile holder. You can fix the rubber strips like this. Once you have done that, wrap the mount on the handlebar and push it in. Now, on the underside of the mount, you fix this hex screw and hold it so that it doesn't move a lot. So put pressure on the nut and using the Allen key, screw the Allen screw into the mobile mount. Once you screw it up properly, it will be perfectly set according to your handlebar and it will not move around. Now, as you can see, this mobile holder moves 360-degree in all directions. Plus, there is also flexibility to move it up, down, and sideways, which is a very good feature because you can set the mobile phone as per your direction and you can easily view the screen of your mobile phone. And these silicon bands are also very good in securing the phone to the mobile holder because after placing this silicon band I'm 100% sure whatever be the speed of your motorcycle, your mobile phone is not going to drop out from the mobile holder. However, without the silicon band, I think the holder in itself is not as strong to actually hold the mobile in place above a certain speed. So I would recommend always to keep your silicon bands on the mobile holder so that it is securely placed. Except for that, it's a great product. Go ahead and buy it, and you can use it, and it is very economical as well.